Yo, welcome back to the channel. Back on the CTS, and I'm putting in the engine today. I'm just putting it in so I can start mocking up everything, getting stuff together, trying to get it to run as soon as possible. I still don't have a intake manifold, but that's okay. I'm still waiting on BTR for that, for the new intake manifold, not the equalizer. I think it's called the Trinity or something like that. I can't remember exactly the name of it, but that's what I'm waiting on. So once that comes in, or once they actually make it for the cathedral head cylinders, so that's what I'm waiting on. So other than that, that's it right here. So I have the engine right here ready to go in. I have the engine mounts on and ready to drop her down in there, or move the wire harness out the way so I can get that going. The fan is going over there because it is extremely hot right now. I think it's like 103 or something like that, and I think I got it to 102 in here. It might be a little bit cooler because the sun is actually going down behind the trees, so that's good. On the next thing I want to do, I think the last video only like 10 people watched, but I have a K24 right here that I'm going to rebuild, and I have that one already that's rebuilt, and that's the one I'm probably going to sell, because I rebuilt that one, but I'm probably going to sell it. If not, I will probably use it as a backup engine for the Element. So I'll probably just strip it down, wrap it up tight, and just put it somewhere. Maybe, I don't know. But I want to build this one a little bit better. Reason being because I got another project car I want to do when I get that car. And I'm gonna put this in there. So that's another time. Hell, I got my trailer in here, my kayak trailer. Right now it's a bumper holder. So so it's to put my kayak on, but I've been working on that, redoing the wiring and stuff on it, getting it back up to snuff. But let's get started trying to put this engine in. This is gonna be a short video because all I'm gonna do is just put it in. There's nothing else I can do. I don't have any accessories except the alternator, and I do have a water pump, but it's off for a truck, so I'm gonna have to sell that or something. I'm gonna have to do something with it because I can't use it. So that's it. I think I got some other stuff I could put on it, but for right now I'm just gonna slap it in. All right, let's go. All right, so I got the engine in. I had to tape up the intake ports so I won't get anything in them. So I just wanted to make sure that they are taped up so I won't drop nothing in them or anything like that. I still have the engine stand on the back of the engine and with a jack stand, so it won't fall backwards because I don't have no transmission yet. And that's about it. I think I'm just gonna go from this point. I'm gonna have to order another water pump because the water pump that I have is for a truck and that's not gonna work. So I need one for I wanted one for a Corvette because I want to try to keep the spacing as tight as possible because I don't have that much. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about the turbos. I don't know if I'm gonna go up high with them or down low in that area there. I don't know yet. So I don't have any more parts. I do have parts, but it's nothing that I can do right now. So I don't have an intake. 2, no water pump. I have the bracket, the alternator, but no bracket. And I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that. I don't know if I'm gonna do the alternator down low, up high. I have no idea. So sorry about that. Let me put you guys closer. Here we go. There. Now I can let my hands go. I don't know what I'm gonna do on that aspect. As in, and then I have the air conditioning. I don't know if I'm gonna run that right now. But I just want to get most of it done. So I believe on the old car, the alternator was on, the old engine, the alternator was on the left side, and the air conditioning and power steering is on the driver's side. So I kind of want to keep it that way, or I don't know. Honestly, I want to keep it that way. I don't know if I'm gonna go high or low. I want to use, here, let me pull this out. I have these. I want to use these, but they're not gonna work. If I put them down low like this, they're going there just fine, but it's like that much away from the strut towers and everything else. And on the other side is wiring the problem. So let me throw them in so you guys can see what they look like. All right, so I put them in. Let me show you. So that's what it'll look like. Let's see here. On that side, it actually looks okay. But it's still very, very close. And sorry, no light. I know it's kind of dark. But these are all my wires here, so I don't want to melt them. And then on this side, I have the brake lines, which I need to fix those a little bit better, and the AC lines here. So it actually looks pretty good like that, but it's not gonna work. And I know that the AC pump goes down here in this area, and then the power steering here, and your water pump. And on this side, I don't know. I just have to look it up real quick. I don't know if the alternator's up here or down there. I think it's down there. I'm pretty sure it's down there. But look from this way, there's not much room to put a turbo. Unless I cut it and bring this a lot closer, then I can probably put it on there. And then on this side the same way, the This side just needs just a little bit, because it's already pretty far back. It's a little bit further back than that one. But if I wanted the turbo cool side as close as this is possible, because it has exhaust, and I wanted to take the exhaust down. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that. I don't know if I'm gonna take it down and around that way on both sides, or how I'm gonna do it. I honestly want to just come up straight through the hood, but I don't want to do that. I mean, I could, but I probably could for testing, you know, to get it running, and then figure that out later. Honestly, I just probably want to just get the engine running without the turbo stuff first, and then hook up the turbo stuff afterwards. All right, so that's it. Let me show you. So this, let me see if it'll focus. It's kind of dark. That's what I'm calling it a day, because it's getting dark, and the lights in here suck really bad. But this is the steam port. So this part can go, I guess, anywhere in the, I know it goes somewhere to like the radiator stuff, something like that. But we already know. So we know something, it goes somewhere. All in due time. So that is it. Thank you guys so much. Please comment, like, subscribe. Thumbs up, thumbs down, and I will see you guys later.